Hey, how's it going, folks? ET here with another iMovie tutorial. Today it's iMovie for iPad. And the first thing we're going to do is show you how to kind of control the look and feel of your timeline. So let's go ahead and get a movie open by tapping on a tile in the bottom right corner that says movie. At this point, we're going to select some video content. So we'll just pick a few clips here. And after you selected the clips that you like, just go ahead and tap create movie. Okay, so for this video, I just want to give you an idea of how to control the look and feel of this timeline down here, the one that I'm scrolling with right here. First thing, in the timeline, if you do a pinch and a zoom, you can shrink and expand the look and feel of the timeline, which will make fine editing a lot easier. And also, just to get an overall view of the whole project itself, you can just shrink it down as small as possible. And then again, once you need to dig into a specific clip, you just pinch the zoom to make it bigger and bigger. Okay. Another thing that I like to do is I like to make sure that my waveforms are turned on. So the icon on the right here in the middle turns those on and off. So depending on the amount of audio you actually have, increase this a little bit here. You'll actually see the audio waves on and off. So this basically gives you more control with your editing. So for me, when I'm editing, I'm focusing in on the actual sound itself, if there is any. If there's not, then of course you're looking for video. But if there's any speaking or music or anything, you kind of want to know what's going on with the audio itself. So the way to turn those on and off is to actually tap this little squiggly line icon on the right here, and that'll show you the audio waveforms. There's one more way to kind of see audio. So if you tap on a clip and you go to actions, you can actually detach that audio there. And now you can actually control the look and feel, the movement of the audio clip there. And again, if you want to see that waveform, you can turn it off here using that squiggly line icon again. Okay, I think that's it for today's tips in iMovie for iPad. Thanks for watching, and we'll talk to you next time. Peace and aloha.